Hey friends, GatorMom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you had a great week. Today we are talking all about this awesome Mina Baie crossbody. Alright, before we get started talking about all of the details on this Mina Baie crossbody, I want to let you guys know that today's video is a team up with one of my dear friends, Nicole, who is Hello Happy Mom here on YouTube. I will have her links down in the description box. She is also going to be packing up this same crossbody, so you'll be able to see two alternative ways to pack it up. So this here is my very first bag from Mina Baie. It's the first time trying out the brand and I'm very, very impressed. I love the quality of their leather. Mina Baie has so many different bags. She has tote bags and backpacks, crossbodies, accessories. I'm excited to be partnering with them and working as an affiliate because there's so many of their styles that I want to try and I'm excited to share them with all of you. So this here being the crossbody, I wanted to try it very first because I wanted a fanny pack option. I wanted something that I could put around my waist and use when we were traveling and just kind of going from place to place, especially at theme parks and the beach and places like that. So I thought that this one here would be the perfect one to try for my very first one. Just to give you an idea of the different ways you can carry it, then we're gonna put the camera down and I'm gonna show you in detail all of the pockets on the inside because there's so many. You can fit so much inside this crossbody, it's crazy. So you have here the rings over here on the side of the bag that you can attach the crossbody strap and then just wear it as a traditional over your shoulder or crossbody over your body. So that's an option here. Then moving on to the back of the bag here, you have one little loop that goes the entire way that you can actually shimmy the strap through and then the bag becomes a fanny pack for you to wear around your waist. It's really easy to do so. On a recent vacation, I actually went from a crossbody here and moved it through this leather piece to tie it around my waist really quickly and really easily. So I love the versatility of the bag. I love the different ways that you can carry it. And like I said, you can put so much inside. So let's take a look and I'll show you all the pockets. So I went ahead and removed that crossbody strap just so I can more easily show you the bag. On the back here, we'll go ahead and start back here since it is the only external pocket of the bag. You have this little leather piece that I just explained that you can actually put the strap through here. There's no pocket or anything behind this part of the bag. Right here though, you do have a really strong magnetic pocket. The magnets on this bag are so awesome. The only thing I have tucked back here right now is my face mask, so it's really easy to just grab it when I need it. I also was carrying my cell phone back here when we were recently traveling, and it was a great pocket because it was along the side of my body, so it was nice and protected, but that's a great external pocket. Moving on here to the front of the bag, I'll just show you the nice little gold Mina Baie logo that's right here at the top. There's no external pockets or anything like that besides the one that I just showed. The zipper is really smooth. It goes the entire way around the top of the bag here. When you open it up, you have so much organization. It is crazy how much this little crossbody will hold and how organized everything is. So I'll go ahead and pull out what's in the very center because it's kind of hard to tell, but you have a magnetic pocket right here where my finger is. You also have two little slit pockets here. You have a little built-in wallet with a zipper and another pocket and a pen pocket. So there's just so much inside this little crossbody. In the center, we'll start over here like kind of tucked in. I just have a little granola bar. I also have a small tube of hand cream. This is from Ulta or the Body Shop. It's a Satsuma scent. Then I also have tucked down here my car keys. I just have them on this little Andar leather key leash. I don't have like a big O key ring or anything like that. I just have it real simple so it tucks in there really nicely. Then I also have tucked down over here my earbuds, and this is kind of a big earpod case. These are studio earbuds, so they're a little bit bigger, but that's just tucked down in there. And then I also have over here in the bar corner a small little tube of Advil. I just have some medicine in there. So that's everything in the center part of the bag. You can really see it opened up now. So much room in here. Moving on to these pockets here, let me turn the bag around so I can show them to you a little bit easier. I don't know if that's easier or not, but you basically have two small elastic pockets there, and then you have one long magnetic pocket that goes the whole way across the crossbody. And the only thing I have tucked down in there is a pretty full package of wet ones. So I only have used a couple, so that will give you an idea on how thick that is. Obviously, if you don't even have those in there, it makes it even more that much room on the inside. So in these two pockets, this one here, I just have my Touchland hand sanitizer. It is the perfect size for these right here in that pocket there. So that's all I have in that pocket. Then over in this one, I have a Tarte lip gloss. I have a Perfectly Posh chapstick, and then I have a little telly tie hair tie. So I have that tucked down in that pocket. That is everything that I have over here on this side of the bag. Kind of give you a good view of what that organization looks like unpacked. When you turn the bag around here, you have a built-in wallet almost. You have, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots right here built into the bag, which is so awesome because you don't have to have an additional wallet or anything. You have it all right there. So I have all my cards there in the card slots. You also have a spot over here for a pen. This is my big simplified pen. You guys have seen this, I love it. And that fits fine down in that pen pocket right there. Then in this zipper pocket here, you have the little kind of Mina Baie logo there on the zipper pull. But inside the zipper pocket, I just have cash and coins just tucked away in there right behind the cards. And then even behind that, you have one more pocket. And down in there, I just have a nail file. I have a couple of gift cards and Costco cards, Sam's card, and receipts. So it's just kind of like my little pocket where I tuck all of that in there as needed. So there you have it. That is everything that I have packed up in my crossbody. This bag is awesome to go inside larger bags. If you have a big tote bag, if you have a diaper bag or something, and you just want to tuck this inside to have an option to just grab and go into a store or throw over your shoulder and not have to carry your big bag. So it's nice, small, and compact and holds tons of organization. Highly, highly recommend. So I will have the link to this one down below in the description box. As always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and I will see you on my next video.